And so fast forward, and one day I wake up to it, and that's it. You know what I mean? So I never forget, October 26th, 2017, man, I was sentenced, and I was just like, man, I can't believe I just let my family down like this. I'm finna go. They gave me 6 years, but I was able to do 3 in, 3 out, and I was able to leave out a little earlier because of a boot camp that I was in. And I mean, I just remember just how hurt everybody was, and how hurt I felt, and how they were talking about me like I was Nino Brown, and I'm just like, man, how did I get here? And so all of that, man, was fuel. You know, I never forget when I went in, I said, you know what? This is a spiritual retreat. I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna come out better than I came in. And I'm gonna, instead of this being the end, it's gonna be the story. And I'll be able to tell the world. Look at me right now. I'll be able to tell the story. Wow. So when I came home, there was absolutely no doubt in my mind that I was not the person they said I was, and that I was better than who I had been this far. So that was done already. The next mental block I had to overcome was, am I worthy? Like, can I do this? You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, with everything that's going on in my life, can I really do this? Because I knew I knew the actual resume. The resume wrote start, quit, start, quit, start, quit, start, quit, start, quit, start, quit. You know what I'm saying? I was a great starter.
Right.
But the finishing game was weak. So I knew what I had to do. I said, okay, Jaabecca, what are you trying to accomplish here? Everything you've done, you've always quit. So for me, I had a lot of limits and beliefs about my success. And when I was able to, it was good to talk about it, but actually walking it out was a whole nother thing. So that was the mental block I had to actually get past to get to where I'm at now.
Wow.
And to be able to do that, it just took a decision. You know what I mean? A decision.
After class. I was thinking like, man, my parents are spending so much money for me to be in school, and I'm in a business environment setting, and the professor is now discouraging me, for starting my own business at 21 years old. So, yeah, man, everybody gets hate. Everybody gets nonsense. I tell people, some of the closest people to you, whether you're getting involved in real estate or insurance or network marketing, or you're building funnels and internet marketing, whatever you're doing, making music, it doesn't really matter. A lot of people close to you are going to discourage you, tell you it's not possible. And it's not because they don't love and care about you. It's because they don't want you to leave. You know, because if you make it, you get successful, and you change your environment, they're afraid you're going to leave them behind. You know, the goal is definitely to motivate, inspire, and give the listeners some real tangible things and strategies they can do to, 10x, 100x their business rest of 2020 for sure.
You could get a rose and sniff them woke and slit, they really fake, so switch, excuse all the temperament. You could catch me with a ride venom, it's not a fantasy ride at 10, and now I'm the shit, I'm sore, but the flow though tends to do I'm with the kid, yeah, I'm on to something. Got no kind of chill, lately I don't even build. I mean for real, they know I got skill, I do not have time to kill. The more money I reel in, the more that they feel me is why, but the way that they build this, the reason I feel